Hey everybody, Angelo here, and happy holidays. And in my home, during the holiday season, it's about three things. Making cookies, eating cookies, these are gonna be so good, I cannot wait. And of course, giving. It really is all about giving. And this season, I am so excited because I am teaming up with HGTV.com to bring you guys, are you ready? HGTV's Angelo Home Holiday Gift Giveaway. That's right, there's only a few days left to enter, and somebody gets to go home with a brand new chair from my first furniture collection called Angelo Home. I am so excited about this, and what better way to spend the holidays than cozied up in a chair next to the fireplace eating cookies. And it's really simple. All you have to do is go to hgtv.com every day, go to the design blog called Design Happens, click on it, and there's a different question every day. Get the answer, keep your answers till Friday, put all the answers in on Friday, and one lucky winner gets chosen to have a chair. And here is the best part. You get to choose your chair. We don't just give you any random chair, you choose the one you want. Do you want a print? Do you want a solid? Do you want leather? Do you want fabric? Contemporary, armless, with arms, traditional? All up to you. How cool is that? So, I'm gonna give you guys the very first question. Are you ready? Do you have paper, pen, melted chocolate to write with, a computer, whatever you got? Here we go. Recently, I co-hosted a holiday special called The Top 25 Great Holiday Ideas. And they were ideas sent in by you guys, the HGTV viewers, and one of them inspired me to create a really simple, elegant mantle where I used mercury glass and a lot of white, silver, and a little bit of greenery. Now, I gave that mantle a name for the style. There was a specific name for the style. What was that name? Time is ticking away. You know what? I'm going to give you guys a hint. Okay, so here's the deal. The name of the style starts with the same letter as the word mantle, and it is the opposite of maximum. Maximum? Maximum? I think you know where I'm going. Okay, so write that answer down, and that's how easy it is, right? And now if you've missed the show, 25 Great Holiday Ideas, you can go to hgtv.com, click on the show page, watch the clips, see that specific clip, and write down the name. And that's it. And I can't wait personally to find out who won. I hope you guys enjoy the whole process, and whoever wins, enjoy the chair. In the meantime, I'm gonna keep myself busy by making cookies and, more importantly, eating cookies. Happy holidays.